Subscribe.
We are together with a perfect question of x plus y. He said x times y is equal to... He said x times y is equal to x over y. Now I think, what can we do next? We can start by equating each other separately. So x plus y. X times I is equal. X times y is equal to x divided by y. And finally, x plus y. I'd say x over y is equal to... Right here, we can solve the problem by taking this friend x. If we think we're multiplying by y, x times y squared, let's just send x to the other side. X times I squared minus x is equal to 0. We can get the common multiplier bracket immediately. So if we take the x parenthesis y squared minus 1 is equal to 0, we got the equation. What will this tell us? The fact that x is 0. In this case, y squared minus 1 would have to be 0. The same way x is 0. In this case, y is plus negative 1. Now, after finding these, what can I do? I think I will come across 3 situations. So if we want to write, let's start with the first situation, where x is 0. Where x is 0 above. If I think about the equations, so if I focus here, what will come before me? If I write 0 where I see x, 0 plus y, is equal to 0 times y, then 0 times y is equal to 0 divided by y, and then x plus y is equal to 0 over y. You got the results. So where will this take me? See, first statement. Or I'll say,
Subscribe. Hey, I'm telling you. Please like and comment.
Here, we'll also pay attention to this. He should never be 0. So I don't actually have any one solution set from here. We lost it now. Let's examine the second situation. What will I focus on this time? I think y is negative 1. As I saw, I can continue by writing negative 1 to the places I see y. What is x minus 1 is minus x. Minus x is minus x. X minus 1 is x. X, what will this give me? 2x is equal to 1. And say x comes from here, 1 divided by 2. When we switch to our third grouping, what can I choose here now? I can choose 1. If I choose y to 1, x plus 1 is equal to x. X can be equal to x. X plus 1, what will happen from here again, is equal to x. Immediately from the first, if we go to the solution, if x minus x is equal to negative 1, what will come in this case? If you pay attention, x. So 0 is equal to negative 1. However, there is no such situation, so we couldn't reach any one solution set from here. In this case, what are our answers? When we think 1, if we look, x is what we found in this situation. 1 divided by 2, we found y. Negative 1 are just the values that solve this problem.
Subscribe. Hey, I'm telling you.
Perfect. One question. Your video is illuminating beautiful. If you think it is informative, please don't forget to follow the channel, so you can watch other videos too. If you have solutions with headlights, specify them in the comments. It was an excellent math question. Share videos with your friends. I forgot to say this. See you soon.